everybody, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? Seriously, if it's your first time here, so much for watching my videos. And if you do like what you see, I hope at some point before the video is over, you like, comment, share, and most of all, subscribe and join my family. If you're not new here, welcome back, y'all. Y'all know what it is. You click this video so you already know what this video is about. This is natural hair tag and tag. In this video, you will be able to get to know a little, just a little bit about me and my hair. This hair challenge was created by another natural hair blogger. Her name is Hurr. She has a great channel, very entertaining videos. So if you wanted to check that out, I'll leave the original one in the description box below. But we here for me, so thank you. All the questions that I will be answering will be listed below. They're kind of like a this or that kind of question form. And after this video, I would love to know your answers to some of these questions if it applies clearly. But let's get started. So, question number 1. What is my hair type? If we were to always be into that kind of thing, hair typing, I am type 4 hands down. I'm type 4. Look at these kinks. Look. Type 4 hair is the most resilient. They are the fighters of all the hair types. So that's me, baby girl. Question number 2. Who is your current hair inspiration? My current hair inspiration is Natural85. She's the one I've been watching since I first went natural way back in the day, almost 10 years ago. Well, I went natural twice. That's another thing. But I've been watching her since back in the day when YouTube wasn't even a big thing. And her hair has flourished. She has taught us so much. So I love her. You go with me. She taught me so much. Thank you. Another person that is hair goals for me is her @name is Angelia, and her hair is just like mine, but just imagine this times like 3, 4, 5, 6. Her hair is like flowing, and I really want to reach those hair goals. Number 3 is my hair low porosity or high porosity. Back in the day, it was low porosity. Then I had color in my hair and the porosity changed to high porosity. So I really don't know. Porosity is basically how your hair retains or takes in moisture. So I'm not sure. I think I should do a test soon. So the next time I wash my hair, like, I'm gonna do a test. Deep conditioners, thick or slippery? Bruh. What kind of question is that? How am I choose between thick or slippery? Don't you see my hair? I need thick and slippery. Hello. Twist out or braid out? Girl, twist out. Duh. Like, I'm having trouble with both of those things. Believe it or not, you see my hair puff? But if I was to choose between a twist out or a braid out, braid outs do give you more length, but I just love the definition of a twist out compared to a braid out. So yeah. Wash and go or a rod set? I think I would rather choose a rod set, but it really depends on the hair look that I'm trying to go for. I feel like I choose no one over the other. But if wash and go puffs count, I guess that one also is. I don't know. Shower or sink? I often do my hair while I'm in the shower. Like, I wash my hair, then while the deep conditioner is setting, I wash everything in my body. Do the sink sometimes. Like, I grew up doing the sink. Like, I grew up in a black household. Like, everybody had to have washed their hair in the sink if you have a whole bunch of hair. Even when I was growing up, my dad washed his hair in the sink. Now that I have my own apartment, I use my shower. Air dry or diffuse? Air dry. Like, I don't even have a diffuser here. Like, what? Fleeky edges or as they are? So I used to be into the fleeky edges thing. Like, honestly, now I just do it if I feel like it or if I'm in the mood to be fleeky. But girl, I am fleeky, so I can leave my edges as is. Look, I don't care. My hair's so big, I feel like you don't even see the edges. Like, so I leave it as is. Like, both things are acceptable. Deep conditioner or oils, I don't even know what kind of question that says. How you gonna make me choose deep conditioner or oils? I love deep conditioner. I love deep conditioner, but lately I've been using both together, especially if I'm gonna cover my hair to get the steaming factor in. I'll deep condition, then rub my scalp and include the oils in it, but deep conditioners, hands down. Every time you wash your hair, you should be using a deep conditioner because you need to put that moisture back into your hair shaft. High bun or low bun? I like low buns. Like, I feel like sometimes if I was to put my hair in a high bun, because my hair is so thick, I feel like my head looks kind of like an egg. I don't know if that makes sense. So when I do the low bun, it is very hard to get my hair slicked back. Like, look at all of this hair. But I like how it looks. Like, I feel like a mature woman. I love my high puffs. So high puffs, low buns, Bantu knots, or finger coils. Sis, like, I don't do any of those things. Like, my coils are so tight that my hair and people who have similar hair as mine, the hair kind of gets tangled within itself. So if I had to choose between making new coils and Bantu knots, I would choose Bantu knots, but that hairstyle is always a fail. Like, raise your hand in the comments below if you think Bantu knots are always a fail. Let me know. I mean, I don't think you can raise your hand. Protective styles in the summer or in the winter? Girl, I do protective styles all year round. I don't discriminate. Monday, Tuesday, wait. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January. Bonnets or scarves? I prefer my scarf. I feel like scarves stay on your head longer, but it really does depend. Like, if I have my hair in a certain hairstyle, the bonnet would come in handy. Shit, I've even put both of them at the same time. Like, I'm dead not playing. But scarves, sis, scarves. A wide tooth comb or a detangling brush? I haven't had the best of luck with detangling brushes. They kind of get stuck in my hair and I can't take them out. And if I do take them out, my hair tends to come out with it. So, my combs. Oh, t-shirt or microfiber towel? So funny story is, I did not fart. That was the couch. It's not funny, but let me just tell you a story. I keep in the back of my door in my bathroom both a microfiber towel and a t-shirt. It really just depends on the mood I'm in, so both. For like a minute, squeeze the hair in the t-shirt and then go about my hairstyle. Or if I want my hair to dry a little bit more, I will use the microfiber towel. I got one from Body Works. You can find microfiber towels, like my whole closet is a microfiber towel, but I have one specifically only for my hair. Like, nobody can use it for their body. I don't need to use it for my body. It's good to have options, you know. Gel versus no gel. This is hard because I usually go back and forth with myself about gel. I used to use a lot of gel back in the day. Eco Styler was my boo, my bae. But now Eco Styler is not really my bae. I have jars and jars of gel, but I haven't really been using it. Like I said, it's really if I'm in the mood to slick anything down, and that goes for edge controllers too. But I will use me some gel to define the crap out of my curls. If you haven't seen my other video where I recommended good products, especially for type 4 hair, I'm gonna list it above. You'll see it floating above, so you can click on it or check this video out after you watch this one because you need to finish it. But when it comes to just gel period, I don't really reach for gel like that. Length or health? I know when you're trying to grow your hair out, you're like, damn, I gotta get my hair down my back, I gotta reach waist length, I gotta just be flowing, I gotta have the hang time. I get it. But at the end of the day, I have learned in these past few years that if your hair is not healthy, you won't reach that length. Health is more important than length. Side part or middle part. I'm a side part kind of girl, but I could let the middle part rock a little bit. The cap or plastic bag. Let me show y'all something real quick. Here, I have a plastic cap in my closet. There's a whole box of them. Here, I have a plastic bag featuring the honorary store fun fair. I do put this on my head too. Plastic caps, I prefer them because they give me the illusion that I have my life together. But I grew up in the hood, so y'all already know that I keep 2 cabinets full of plastic bags only. And if I ever ran out of these shits, or if they ever broke, I got a whole congregation of plastic bags to use for my hair. Like these are one size fits all. Let me show you something. Really? It only fits my puff. Let me show you something right here. You see that? This bag fits my whole head. I can use this as a scrunchie in the back. We good money, sis. We good money, sis. If you have any other questions that you want to know about my hair or natural hair in general, I am here for you. So leave any comments that you have down below in the comment section because I do want to know your thoughts. I do want to know if any of these apply to you, which one or which one, this or that. If this video was entertaining, helpful, informative to you, please let me know down below, and please, 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 please don't forget to like. Once again, thank you for watching my video. I had so much fun doing this. This was such a positive thing to do. I love that so many naturals are on YouTube right now doing this video. Before you go, check out the rest of my channel because I know you love me. Make sure you take the time to like down below, comment, and subscribe down below as well. And it might help you more to hit the notification bell down below next to the subscribe button so that you can be specifically notified of whenever I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.